mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Saturday Racing, June 22, 2024. Starting time, alas 3 ng hapon. 7 races. Lahat may distansyang 1,400 ang nakaline-up sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. So balik na ang winner take all, race 1 to 7. Race 1, umpisa ng winner take all. First choice number 5, West Pacol. Second choice number 4, Brainchild. Race 2, umpisa ng pick 6. First choice, number 3, dati nating na-itip na ito. Number 3, Monrubian Bell. Second choice, number 7, Freedom. Third choice, number 2, Advance Party. Race 3, umpisa ng pick 5. First choice, Coupledon 3. Number 1, My Sweet Valentine, 1A, Metal Strength. Second choice, number 4, Imperial Queen. Race 4, first choice, umpisa ito ng pick 4. Number 5, Marilag. Second choice, number 3, Queen Louise. Race 5, first choice, number 5, Moon Island. Second choice, number 3, Malabon King. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 9, Sis Royale. Second choice, number 1, Mythic Laila. Third choice, number 5, Snow White. Race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice, Coupledon 3. Number 2, Go Uste. 2A, Piece of Cake. Second choice, number 5, Helguy. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!